Learn how to securely share files using OneDrive, a practical guide for business users and small companies. Email attachments can create risks by losing control over the file. In contrast, OneDrive links offer control over access, editing, and expiration. Before sharing, ensure your file is saved in OneDrive. This is the recommended path for secure sharing. Click the Share button from OneDrive, SharePoint, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint to share files securely. Select the narrowest permission that allows the work to get done, ensuring security and efficiency. Decide whether the recipient can view or edit the file. Default to Can View unless editing is necessary. Use expiration dates and password protection to reduce long-term access risks after the business need is complete. After sharing, review who has access and manage it by removing or stopping sharing when needed. Avoid using anyone with the link for sensitive files, giving unnecessary edit access, and neglecting to review access. KMC Technologies Group offers solutions for securing Microsoft 365, including OneDrive and SharePoint support.